AI vulnerability scoring, use better passwords, and more for your weekly cybersecurity roundup. I'm Allie Diamond, and this is ThreatWire. A U.S. government group was hacked and has come out to confirm the infiltration. The group, the Congressional Budget Office, aka the CBO, confirmed on November 6 that there was a security incident. The actual details of the breach have been vague. One congressman has made a statement that the attack was done by a, quote, complex foreign actor. The damages are expressed to be limited to emails and exchanges between congressional offices and the CBO analysts. The spokesperson for the office has made a formal statement ensuring the breach has been contained, mitigated, and is under control. If you haven't heard yet, the Louvre was robbed in October. The thieves stole 8 pieces of the French crown jewels with an estimated worth of 88 million euros. The entire ordeal took less than 8 minutes to execute, and the robbery has led to a security audit of the entirety of the Louvre. It turns out that the Louvre security has been lacking for years. French newspaper Libération was able to get access to security audits of the Louvre and found out that in 2014, the password to their video surveillance system was literally Louvre. So this is just your reminder to please change your passwords to something harder to guess. CVSS scores and CVEs are generally accounted to repeatable deterministic vulnerabilities. But with the rise of AI, can we use the same deterministic standard to score AI-enhanced, non-deterministic variable repeatable vulnerabilities? OWASP has created the AI vulnerability scoring system with the aim of adding scores, structure, and evaluation criteria to these non-deterministic vulnerabilities. The AI vulnerability scoring system builds upon the CVSS model, introducing new parameters tailored to the dynamic nature of AI systems. The AI VSS score begins with a base CVSS score and then incorporates an agentic capabilities assessment. This additional layer accounts for autonomy, non-determinism, and tool use, factors that can amplify risk in AI-driven systems. The combined score is then divided by 2 and multiplied by an environmental context factor to produce a final vulnerability score. A document has been released walking through the scoring system of the AI vulnerabilities, examples of working through the scoring calculations, and more. Researchers are now able to go to the AI VSS calculator to determine the severity of a finding. A new family of Android spyware has been uncovered by Palo Alto Network's Unit 42 team, so let's jump into this new Landfall spyware. Landfall was first observed in July 2024, but details of its existence are now only being made public. It took advantage of CVE 2025-21042, which was patched by Samsung in April 2025. While the functionality of Landfall is not operating system specific, the CVE for Samsung Android phones attacks the image processing library. Unit 42 believes that the Landfall spyware was used for monitoring and data exfiltration. Our analysis indicates these DNG files exploit CVE 2025-21042, a vulnerability in Samsung's image processing library libimagecodec.quorum.so that Samsung patched in April 2025. The exploit extracts shared object library files from the embedded zip archive to run Landfall spyware. This attack highlights a larger issue at hand with the use of the DNG file. In 2025, both Apple and WhatsApp have had CVEs identified that take advantage of DNG image processing libraries. Samsung even had a second CVE in 2025 related to this processing. They highlight that this could be used as a part of a zero-click exploit chain. Also, given some of the unique component naming used in the code, they believe that it is actually a product of a private sector offensive cybersecurity company like NSO Group, Citrix, or others. They don't have direct attribution to this though, so they're tracking the use of this spyware to a new threat actor group. Thank you so much for watching ThreatWire for the week of November 10th, 2025. If you enjoyed this show, please head over to patreon.com/ThreatWire. I'm going to be doing my programming live stream this Friday, November 14th. I'll be live on the Hack5 channel starting around 10 a.m. EST and going until the afternoon, most likely. So be sure to have notifications on if you want to catch the 2-year anniversary special. I'm Allie Diamond, and if you want to find me online, you can find me everywhere at Ending with Allie. And remember, good luck, have fun, and don't get caught.